In your bill, there is a tax break for healthcare company executives who make over $500,000 a year. Why do healthcare CEOs need a tax break?
Yeah, I don't think it stipulates that it's healthcare executives. I think it's the level of income. If it's healthcare executives, then I'll take a peek at it. It doesn't make any sense.
It is. I mean, it's in there. It talks about, I have it right here.
I'll tell you what I think that is. I think that the previous administration singled out healthcare executives. You're absolutely right. And what they said is healthcare executives ought to be punished.
Well, not punished, a limitation for wealthy people. It said Obamacare had a limitation for certain health insurance providers that exceeds $500,000 paid to an officer, director, or an employee. That limitation in your bill goes away, and it effectively means a tax cut for these people.
You think about what this is, Dana. This is the federal government before saying to a certain sector of society, a certain individual, you can't make what that company is willing to pay you for your services. That doesn't sound like America to me. What we're saying is that we ought not single out certain individuals in this nation and have the federal government have the power to be able to say you're going to be treated differently than that individual even though you make the same amount of money. If we want a health system, or if we want an income system that taxes everybody at a certain income level the same, that's what I think the American system's all about.
Well, but the current tax system doesn't tax everybody the same. People are taxed differently.
At a certain income level. And the fact of the matter is what the previous administration did was to identify, you read it, identified individuals in a certain sector of our society and said, you've got to pay more than the guy or the gal down the street who's making exactly the same amount of money as you. That seems very dangerous to me.